Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will create points using various tools that are available in Create Points toolbar, as shown in this figure. To complete this tutorial, you have to follow the following steps. First of all, you have to open the file, then create points using different options in the point drop-down, and at last, you'll save the file. Now let's start the tutorial. First of all, we'll open Civil 3D 2024 software. We'll open the drawing file now. For this, we have to select this Open tab, and here we'll select this file C02 C3D 2024 TUT and choose the Open button. Now let's start this tutorial. First of all, we'll create points using the option in alignment category. For this, we have to select points drop down in the Create Ground Data panel of Home tab. We'll select this and you can see Create Points Alignments option is here. We'll select this and you can see a flyout is displayed. From here, we'll select this station offset. Create Points toolbar is displayed. You are prompted to select the alignment. Select the centerline alignment in the drawing. Now, you are prompted to select the station along the baseline. As you move cursor over the alignment, a tooltip showing the first station is displayed. Zoom in the view and the alignment and click on 0 plus 00 at the start of the alignment. Now, you are prompted to specify the offset distance. Press enter and accept the default value. You are prompted to enter the point description. Enter CL in the command line as a point description and press enter. Now you are prompted to specify the elevation. Here we'll put 100 as the elevation value. Once you enter this, you can see a blue color point is displayed at first station of the alignment. Now you are prompted to specify another station in the command line. Pan to the next station, that is 30 plus 00. Click on it. You are prompted to enter the offset value. We have to accept the default value. You are prompted to enter the description. Here again we'll enter CL and press enter. Now again we'll specify the elevation, that is 100. You can see a blue color point is displayed. We have to repeat this process till we reach at the end of the alignment. The next station is 60 plus 00. Again, we'll enter the offset value as default, CL, and then elevation value 100. This is our last point. Now press the escape button to exit the command. Now we will create points using the option in miscellaneous category. For this, we will select points drop down, and here we can see create points miscellaneous is present. We will select this and a flyout is displayed. From here, we will select divide object. Create Points toolbar is displayed, and you are prompted to select an arc, line, polyline, lot line or feature line. Select the line above the alignment and you are prompted to enter the number of segment. Enter 12 in the command line and press enter. You are prompted to specify the offset. Press enter to accept the default offset. You are prompted to enter a point description. Here we will enter OSP as point description and press enter. Now you are specified to enter elevation, and in elevation we'll enter 100 and press enter. You can see here a blue color point is displayed. and you are prompted to enter point description again. Here again we will enter OSP and press enter and elevation as 100. Now we will continue this process till we reach the end of the line. Now, as you can see that we have reached end of the line and you are prompted to select next arc, line, polyline, lot line or feature line. Now select this arc object above the alignment and you are prompted to enter the number of segments. Here we will enter 6 and press enter and you are prompted to specify the offset. Enter 5 as the offset distance in the command line and press enter. We will enter OSP as point description in the command line and press enter. And elevation we will enter 100. Repeat this procedure to create point at an offset along the selected arc. So we will start entering OSP as point description and 100 as the elevation value. Points are created along the arc. Now we will press escape to exit the command. Now we will create points using the option in intersection category. Select the points drop-down and select Create Points Intersection. A flyout is displayed and here we will select Direction Perpendicular. Create Point toolbar is displayed and you are prompted to specify the start point. Click on Start Point of the alignment to specify as first point. Drag the cursor vertically downward and click on the line just below the alignment. An arrow showing the direction is displayed and you are prompted to specify the offset. Press enter and accept the default value. You are prompted to specify location of the perpendicular point. Click on the line object just below the first point on the alignment. So we will click here. A green color mark indicating the position of point is displayed on the screen. Also, you are prompted to specify the point description. Enter PP, that is perpendicular point, and press enter. You are prompted to specify the elevation. In elevation, you will enter 100 as the elevation value. A point is displayed on the line and you are prompted again to specify the start point. Now click on the second point on the alignment and you are prompted to specify the direction. Again drag the cursor vertically downward and click on the line just below the alignment. Accept the default value of offset. You are prompted to specify the location of the perpendicular point. Click on the point just below the alignment. A green color mark is displayed and you are prompted to enter the description. Enter PP and elevation value 100. We have to repeat this procedure till we reach end of this line. Now we have reached end of the line and we'll press escape to terminate the command. And you can see points are created. Now at last we will choose points drop down and in points drop down we will choose create points miscellaneous. And in this flyout display, we have to choose measure object. Now you are prompted to select an arc, line, polyline, lot line or feature line. Here we will select the arc below the alignment. And now you are prompted to specify the starting station. Here we'll accept the default value and press enter. On doing so, ending station is displayed, that is 16852.956. Here again we will press enter. And now you are prompted to specify the offset. Press enter. You are prompted to specify the intervals now. In intervals, we will put 1000 as the value and press enter. And you are prompted to enter the point description. In point description, we will enter OSP and press enter. And in elevation, we will enter 100 value. Now you can see points are being created here. And now we will continue this process till we reach the end of the arc. Now you can see you are prompted to select another arc, which means that points are creating at equal intervals. Thus here in Civil 3D we have created points first by measuring the arc object and by identifying the start and end station of the arc, and then dividing the arc at specified intervals. Now you can press escape to end the command. At last, we'll save the file. Open the application menu. We'll select Save As. And save the file by name C02_TUT01. After performing this tutorial, now you all know how to create points using various tools available in Create Points toolbar. Thank you.